Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I made a video, so I'm sorry about that. If you've read the description or the title, then you'll know that we're going to be hardwiring the valve control. It has been working for 2 or 3 weeks, and I just wanted to make sure it was all the wires were hidden and it looked like it wasn't even there. I've got the remote in the cabin, and yeah, so it's working. We're just going to smarten things up and see how it goes. Let's begin. So just in here, that's where the valve control is. There's one on the left, one on the right, so 2 cables come up from the exhaust, behind the bumper, and then go in through this rubber grommet. Down underneath the seats at the back, and then down this underneath this trim piece here. And this is what we look like at the minute. So that's our earth cable. As you can see, it's touching the bolt, but it's not fully in, so we're going to rectify that today. And then just underneath here is the fuse box, and what I did was tapped into one of the fuses on a piggyback, and then this adapter here, this is what came with the valve control and the exhaust, so that runs all the way from the back through the controller box up into the fuse box. I bought this female adapter from Amazon, and that's got the fuse spur on one end, and then the earth cable that goes to here, just there. And then what happens is, plug that into there. If I turn the ignition on, there we go, it's activated. I'll turn the ignition off. So this took a little while. I don't know if you can see, the light's not great, but there's a red cable just here with that blue fuse in, and it was a little tricky to find the one that was gonna be 15 amp and work, and that was also not fully on, so like the immobilizer and things like that. It wouldn't drain the battery, and it would only come on with the when the ignition switched on, which is what I wanted. So today, what we're going to do, we're just going to tidy this up, put a bigger loop on it so the bolt goes straight through the middle, and hide everything up, put the plastics back on, and we're good to go. Alright, so this female adapter, this one's the earth cable, this one's the one that connects to the fuse spur, that goes into the fuse box with the piggyback fuse, and then we have the male adapter for the valve control that used to be plugged into the cigarette lighter. Do this, let's make sure the light turns on when we switch the ignition on. There we go, we're good. All I'm going to do, put a bit more tape around this so it doesn't come out while it's in the dash. That should be okay. There's a little bit of foam on the bottom here, so what I'm going to do is just push it onto that to prevent any rattling. So this is the exciting bit. Putting the covers back on now. They have been off for a little while. It took me a while to figure out how to do this. Alright, so that's hidden. I got to remember how this piece went on. I think it goes like that. Nope. Like this. And here. Sorry for the camera angle. That seems to be pushed in. Get this rubber out. A little bit difficult with just one hand. Let's try it. Put the camera down, hold on. Alright, so with two hands, much easier. There we go, that's hidden. And then the last piece. Alright. A little bit dirty because it's been in the boot. Has been winter here. There you go. Absolutely no cables on show. So as you just seen, it goes in here, runs all the way down, boom, 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 to the back of the car. Okay, so it's taken me a little bit longer than this 5-10 minute video to do this. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks. Had a little bit of research as well. I'm really happy how it's turned out. Let's start the car. This is the remote that comes with the valve control. You get 2 of these from Urban Exhaust. Let's see what it does. This is valves open normally. This is what I have. Let's say we want to make it a bit quieter. Last valve's closed. And then press the button. Open. And then completely closed. So it's quite quiet. I'll leave it like that. Thanks for watching. I'm really happy how it's turned out. It's OEM. It's got the cables completely hidden. There's no cigarette things holding my armrest up and things like that. It's completely hardwired in. No one would know, and apart from the sound. The fob I can just keep in the car. Like I say, you got 2 of these that came with the exhaust from Urban Exhaust. Super happy. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.